Hi, hello and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the Reddit poster works. So if you go to our software, you can find software in the posting section. You go to Reddit and then you will see Reddit poster. The software has over 140 different modules. We keep adding more every time. And so basically go to Reddit and then you go Reddit poster and this software will open up. So now the first thing you have to do is open Firefox. This uses Selenium to so the software can talk to the web browser. Basically, once it's open, you will see a small robot there telling you that we are using Selenium and that it's going to be automated. So now what we do is we're going to log into Reddit. So you click login, and this is going to go and go to Reddit and then paste your username and password that you put in there, and this is going to log into Reddit there. So now that you're logged into Reddit, you are able to post in different categories. So let's just go back here. So here you have three options: post, image, or link. In this case, you have to make sure that in the category that you are going to be posting, it allows that type of posting. So let's just do one example. So let's go to the posting, to the post section. This is just normal text. And let's go to as Reddit. So you can go here on post, and then you go to the subreddit that you want to post, and then you could put any subreddit here. If it's not here, you could just post it, and then you select the subreddit that you want. So it's like marketing automation. So you can put anything that you want. What software does companies need the most? And then you could explain something. I am building software for social media, and I wanted to know what is most popular for companies. And then you basically add it to the table. You could add a few like that depending on how many posts you want to make. You could save this if you click browse and then you type your file name and then you save it. You save them, and then so you could repost them in a different account or whatever. And then you can go to import, browse, you select the file, then it's going to show up on this window, and then use Reddit post, and then this will show up on this window. So you could keep adding a lot of them. If you add like 3 or 4 more, you could post them all with this button, or you could just post the one that it's selected at the moment using this button. And here basically if you select image, you put the title there and you put the image here. You put the link here as well depending on what you want. So I'm just going to post this for now. Let's go post the selected ad, and then you click on that button, you go to Reddit, and then you will see how it's going to start posting my post on Reddit. So you see that it went to the right subreddit. Now it posts the title. So now it's selecting and posting the content of my ad, and then it's going to click post. As you see, my mouse is over here, so it's going to be posted automatically. So once it's posted, you will see it there. So I just made a post, and then this way you could keep making a lot of posts on any subreddit that you want to, in order to promote any product or service that you have to offer. Just basically try to mask it as normal content, and then just in the bottom or somewhere there you could include like a section to go visit your site because you are doing something that is related to whatever post you are making. So that way it looks a little bit more more easy to target people because it's related to what you're posting. So that's basically how the software works. If you want to get it, you could get it on outpostingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.